Hey there, technology enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive into a fascinating concept that might leave you scratching your head, Greg.tech. Now, I know what you're thinking. Who is Greg, and what on earth does Greg.tech mean? Well, let me tell you. First things first. In the world of Minecraft mods, Greg.tech is a popular technology mod that offers advanced tools, machines, and energy management systems. Think of it like having your very own Iron Man suit, but in the virtual world of Minecraft. Now, you might be wondering why this is so intriguing. Well, here's where it gets weird. Greg.tech operates on a complex system that uses a unique currency called RF. This resource-based energy system allows players to generate and manage energy from various resources they find in the game. So let's break this down. Imagine you're trying to power up your tools and machines. Instead of using batteries or fuel cells, you need to collect a specific resource called redstone flux. Sounds odd? Not so fast. It may sound like an alien language now, but once you get the hang of it, Greg.tech becomes a game changer. Finally, let's talk about why you should care about Greg.tech. This technology mod offers players unparalleled control over their gaming experience. You can create complex machines, design intricate energy grids, and experiment with various energy sources like steam, electricity, and even fluids. The possibilities are truly endless, but only if you're willing to learn the ins and outs of Greg.tech. So here's your call to action. If you've ever wondered what it would be like to have complete control over the energy flow in a virtual world, then grab your pickaxe, put on your goggles, and dive into the fascinating world of Greg.tech. But wait, before you go, let me ask you this. Would you trust an AI assistant with your daily tasks? It's a question worth pondering, especially as technology continues to advance. Leave us a comment below with your thoughts on the matter. And remember, for more tech breakdowns and mind-boggling concepts like Greg.tech, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time for another deep dive into the world of cutting-edge technology.